If you love the thrill of a thunderstorm but still want to stay safe, then understanding tornadoes is your next adventure. What exactly is a tornado? It's a violently rotating column of air that reaches from a thunderstorm to the ground, and yes, it's as intense as it sounds. Tornadoes can occur anywhere, but they have a favorite playground, famously known as Tornado Alley, in the US. Now, how do these twisting terrors form? It all starts with severe thunderstorms. These storms have just the right ingredients: warm, moist air near the surface and cooler, dry air above. When these two air masses meet, they create instability in the atmosphere. Add some wind-changing speed or direction with height into the mix and you've got yourself a spinning column of air. But what makes tornadoes so unpredictable and fascinating is their power and speed. They can clear a pathway a mile wide and 50 miles long, demolishing everything in their path. The strongest tornadoes can reach wind speeds of over 300 miles per hour. Imagine that speed. It's enough to obliterate well-built homes and toss cars around like toys. Safety is crucial. If you find yourself under a tornado warning, get to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows and cover your head to protect yourself from flying debris. Remember, no area is truly safe from tornadoes, but with knowledge and preparation, you can significantly increase your chances of staying safe. So next time you hear about a tornado warning, respect the power of nature. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay safe.